How to stop overthinking at night. Overthinking at night can be a common issue that disrupts sleep and adds unnecessary stress. Here are some strategies to help stop overthinking at night. Mindfulness or meditation. Practice mindfulness or meditation techniques to calm your mind before bed. Focus on your breath or use guided meditation apps to help redirect your thoughts away from overthinking. Set aside worry time. Allocate a specific time earlier in the day to worry or ruminate. When those thoughts come up at night, remind yourself that you have a designated time to address them and let them go until then. Journaling. Keep a journal beside your bed and write down any racing thoughts before trying to sleep. This can help release them from your mind and provide a sense of closure for the day. Establish a bedtime routine. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body and mind that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretching. Limit stimulants. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and electronics before bedtime, as they can stimulate your mind and make it harder to fall asleep. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by making it dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows to optimize your sleep quality. Progressive muscle relaxation. Practice progressive muscle relaxation techniques to release tension from your body. Start by tensing and then relaxing each muscle group, moving from your toes to your head. Challenge negative thoughts. When overthinking leads to negative or irrational thoughts, challenge them by asking yourself if they're truly realistic or if there's a more balanced perspective. Seek professional help. If overthinking at night significantly impacts your daily functioning or quality of life, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can provide personalized strategies and coping mechanisms. Remember, it may take time to find the right combination of techniques that work for you, so be patient and consistent in your efforts to overcome nighttime overthinking. Thank you for watching.